Hey tech enthusiast, your daily dose of tech this Friday is here at DawentsIT. We inspire to deliver. Your daily dose of technology news, April 10, 2026. Delivering the latest updates on AI advancements and semiconductor trends. 1. The next phase of AI, advanced chip packaging. Intel invests in EMIB and Foveros, combining multiple chip components, shifting competition to assembly and optimization. 2. Massive AI infrastructure spending continues. $600 billion plus expected in 2026. Meta and CoreWeave $21 billion cloud AI deal. Growth in data centers and energy demand. 3. Supply chain pressure and chip shortages. Severe shortages in memory chips such as HBM and DRAM, rising costs impacting smartphones, PCs, and data centers. 4. AI disruption creates market uncertainty. Stocks under pressure amid fears of AI replacing software, overinvestment worries, and delayed profit realization. The build now profit later phase affects economic impact. 5. AI security and privacy concerns escalate. AI tools find vulnerabilities and automate attacks. Companies use AI defensively. Cybersecurity is now a global top priority. 6. AI chip wars expanding. Amazon, Anthropic, and Meta are building AI chip strategies, aiming to control the full AI stack, hardware, infrastructure, and software, reducing dependence on competitors and improving margins. 7. AI chip boom drives tech markets higher. Intel surges to a 5-year high. Partnerships with Google and Elon Musk's Terafab. Other chip makers like Nvidia and Micron also rally. Summary. AI investment explodes while profits lag. Competition focuses on chips, packaging, and data centers. Cybersecurity and privacy are essential for AI adoption. For summaries or deep dives, visit www.DawentsIT.com or subscribe to DawentsIT for more tech news and videos. Stay inspired and we deliver. www.DawentsIT.com